Hello, welcome back to another Maker Monday here at the Jessamine County Public Library. Today we are going to be working on CorelDRAW, specifically talking about how to make Halloween lanterns. So the first thing I'm going to do with my page is I'm going to set up the dimensions. So up top here, you can see we have it set to 10 by 10 right now. We're going to change that to whatever the bag size is. So we'll call the width 6 inches and the height 12 inches. And again, you just match this to whatever size you're working with. So as you can see, we have the page now. Now what we need to do is find some sort of Halloween silhouette. And once you do that, I just pulled mine from Google. I'll just go to File and Import. And you can see I just have a pumpkin face now. You could find something that maybe has like a witch on it, or maybe like a monster. Whatever you like. And we'll just select where we want to import this at. So now what I want to do is I want to convert this from raster to vector. That way we can cut out the lines. So to do that, I'll just go to Trace Bitmap, do an outline trace, and for this, a number of these would work. We'll just call this clip art. And it will automatically convert that. And over here in options, I'll go and just select the delete original image. That'll save us a step here in a second. And hit OK. And now you can see we have this vector file. So now it's just a matter of resizing it, placing it where you want. And actually, if you hit the P key on the keyboard, that'll snap it to the center of the page. So that's a helpful little trick right there. And what we need to do now is set the outline to hairline. That's going to be what tells it to cut. Now the final thing I'll do is I'm going to change this fill to no fill, which really you don't have to do since we're only cutting, but it just makes it easier to see where it's going to cut. So once you pop this on the laser, all these lines indicate the lines it's going to cut. Obviously that material will be removed. Then you can place a candle or like a tea light or something like that inside of the bag, and then it'll illuminate to create a Halloween lantern. Thank you for watching.
Click the like button, subscribe to our channel below, and don't forget to ring that bell in order to get reminders when we have new videos for you to watch.